In the quiet corners of ancient Ayurvedic texts, the practice of oil pulling emerges as a time-honored ritual, whispered through generations as a remedy for both oral and overall health. The concept is simple yet profound, swishing oil in the mouth for a duration of time, allowing it to draw out impurities and promote wellness. This age-old tradition, often overlooked in modern health discussions, has garnered renewed interest as people seek natural methods to enhance their well-being. As the sun rises each day, countless individuals embark on this journey of oral hygiene, unknowingly unlocking the secrets that oil pulling holds. The origins of oil pulling can be traced back to India, where it was practiced for thousands of years. The term kavalala, or gandusha, in Sanskrit refers to the act of swishing oil in the mouth. This simple yet effective practice was believed to cleanse the body of toxins, improve oral hygiene, and even enhance overall health. As the world modernized, the essence of oil pulling remained, evolving into a wellness trend that has captured the attention of many. At its core, oil pulling is a detoxification process. The mouth is a breeding ground for bacteria, and while brushing and flossing are essential components of oral hygiene, they do not address the underlying issue of toxins and harmful microorganisms that can linger in the gums and soft tissues. Oil pulling acts as a natural cleanser, leveraging the properties of oil to draw out these impurities. When one swishes oil in the mouth, it binds to the bacteria and toxins, allowing them to be expelled from the body, leaving a cleaner, healthier oral environment. Among the various oils that can be used for this practice, coconut oil stands out prominently. Its popularity has surged in recent years, not only for oil pulling, but also for its myriad health benefits. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid known for its antimicrobial properties. When swished in the mouth, coconut oil can effectively reduce harmful bacteria such as Streptococcus mutans, the primary culprit behind tooth decay. The creamy texture and pleasant taste make it an appealing choice for those new to oil pulling. Sesame oil, another traditional option, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It is known for its high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. The oil is believed to strengthen gums and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for individuals suffering from gum disease or sensitivity. Its nutty flavor adds a unique dimension to the experience, allowing practitioners to connect with the rich traditions of their ancestors. Sunflower oil, often overlooked, is yet another viable option. With its light flavor and high vitamin E content, sunflower oil offers a gentle swishing experience while providing essential nutrients that promote oral health. The oil is known for its ability to soothe the gums and reduce inflammation, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a milder alternative. Each of these oils brings its own unique benefits, allowing individuals to choose based on their preferences and health goals. The process of oil pulling is straightforward, yet the benefits it offers are profound. To begin, one should select an oil and take a tablespoon of it into the mouth. The swishing should commence gently, allowing the oil to coat the teeth, gums, and tongue. It is essential to avoid swallowing the oil, as it contains the toxins and bacteria that have been drawn out. The recommended duration for oil pulling is typically between 15 to 20 minutes, a time frame that may seem daunting at first. However, many practitioners find that the time passes quickly, especially when engaging in other activities such as reading or preparing for the day. As the oil is swished, it undergoes a transformation, becoming thinner and milky in appearance. This change is a sign that the oil is actively binding to toxins and bacteria. The experience can be meditative, allowing individuals to focus on their breath and cultivate mindfulness. It is a moment of self-care, a ritual that encourages one to pause and reflect on their health and well-being. The benefits of oil pulling extend far beyond just oral hygiene. Many practitioners report improved breath, whiter teeth, and healthier gums. The reduction of harmful bacteria in the mouth can lead to fewer cavities and a decreased risk of gum disease. Furthermore, oil pulling may also contribute to overall health by reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation is often at the root of many chronic illnesses, and by addressing it at the oral level, one may potentially impact their overall health positively. Beyond the mouth, the practice of oil pulling is believed to influence other bodily systems. Some proponents claim that it can enhance digestion, boost the immune system, and even improve skin conditions. The connection between oral health and overall health is well documented. The mouth serves as a gateway to the body, and maintaining its health can have ripple effects throughout. For instance, studies have shown a link between periodontal disease and heart health, suggesting that the bacteria in the mouth can enter the bloodstream and contribute to cardiovascular issues. By practicing oil pulling, individuals not only care for their teeth and gums, but also take proactive steps towards safeguarding their heart health. The journey of oil pulling is not without its challenges. For newcomers, the texture and sensation of swishing oil can be unfamiliar. It may take time to adjust to the practice, and some may experience initial discomfort. However, persistence often leads to rewards. As one becomes accustomed to the routine, the practice can transform into a cherished part of the day, a moment to cultivate health and well-being. In addition to its physical benefits, oil pulling also carries a sense of community and shared knowledge. As more individuals embrace this ancient practice, they often share their experiences, tips, and insights with others. Social media platforms are filled with testimonials, before and after photos, and discussions surrounding the various oils and techniques. This sense of connection fosters a supportive environment, encouraging individuals to explore their health journeys together. As one delves deeper into the world of oil pulling, it becomes evident that the practice is not merely about oral hygiene. It is a holistic approach to health. The act of swishing oil is a ritual that honors the body, acknowledging the interconnectedness of oral health and overall well-being. It serves as a reminder that health is not just the absence of disease, but a state of balance and harmony. For those considering oil pulling, it is essential to approach it as a complementary practice rather than a replacement for traditional dental care. Regular visits to the dentist, brushing, and flossing remain fundamental components of maintaining oral health. Oil pulling can enhance these practices, providing an additional layer of protection and care. In a world inundated with quick fixes and fleeting health trends, oil pulling stands as a testament to the wisdom of ancient practices. It invites individuals to slow down, to engage in a ritual that nurtures both the body and the mind. The secrets of oil pulling lie not only in its ability to cleanse the mouth, but also in its power to foster a deeper connection to one's health journey. As the sun sets on another day, those who have embraced oil pulling may find themselves reflecting on the transformative nature of this practice. The simple act of swishing oil has the potential to rejuvenate not only the mouth, but also the spirit. It is a reminder that health is a journey, one that can be enriched by the wisdom of the past and the choices made in the present. With each swish, the secrets of oil pulling unfold, revealing a path toward enhanced oral hygiene and overall well-being. The oils, the ritual, and the mindfulness converge, creating an experience that transcends mere health practices. It becomes a celebration of the body, a commitment to self-care, and an exploration of the profound connection between oral health and overall vitality. As individuals continue to discover the secrets of oil pulling, they embark on a journey that honors their health, their heritage, and the timeless wisdom of ancient traditions.